General Motors' decision to close up to 5 plants in North America shocked employees and their families. And in Lordstown, Ohio, where the company wants to close down an entire manufacturing site, some workers say they're still clinging on to the hope that GM's management will change course.
Tommy Wolikov is proud of working for General Motors. His father worked here too at the GM plant in Lordstown, Ohio, as does his brother. Tommy's always hoped his kids might one day find a job at the factory too, so the news has devastated him.
You know, I feel that there's a good chance that GM might literally shut its doors, and if that happens, I feel like, you know, our town is just going to be, you know, done, just finished.
GM is the biggest employer in rural Lordstown, but the plant only produces the Chevy Cruze. After all, small and compact cars are not that popular in the US anymore.
GM stock increased by about 10% the day after they made the announcement. So investors are happy with it, because what serves the bottom line of GM and these companies is not necessarily what is best for these communities, and certainly not what's best for the workers.
A Chevrolet Impala was the first car to roll off the assembly lines here half a century ago. 16 million cars later, and the Lordstown factory could face closure on March 1st next year.
There's definitely still hope, because I think even Mary Barra, the CEO of GM, knows how important Lordstown is to all of us. And maybe, you know, why I'm doing this is just a reminder to let her know, like, there are people like me. There are people like me that have children that depend. We literally depend on being able to go to work and make that good, you know, money and get our paycheck at the end of the week. And if you take that away from us, what are we going to do?
Tommy Wolikov and others know that their union, the state government and President Trump are on their side. They just hope that they can keep their plant and their livelihoods going.